Let's learn together.
Okay, we proceed to the video about how to apply a chamfer. Okay, there are 5 types of chamfer, which is angle distance, distance, vertex, offset phase, and the last one is phase. We proceed to the angle distance first. Okay, for this type you must select a edge to create a chamfer. Okay, at the chamfer parameter, okay, you can set a distance and then you can set the angle. Okay, for the example, okay, you can see this. Okay, and then click right. Okay, for the second type is distance. Okay, you also must select edge too. Okay, and then you can set a distance of the chamfer. Okay, you can see this. Okay, and then click right. Okay, we proceed to the next type of the chamfer, which is vertex. Okay, for this type of chamfer, you must select or click on the vertex to create a chamfer. Okay, there are 3 distance of the chamfer. Okay, you can see this. I will set the distance. Okay, this type only can produce on the vertex only. Okay, and then click right. Okay, we proceed to the next type, which is offset phase. Okay, this type also you can select the edge. Okay, at the chamfer parameter, there are 2 types, which is symmetry and asymmetry. Okay, when I click asymmetry, there are 2 distance provided at here. Okay, you can set a 2 distance. Okay, we proceed to the symmetry. Okay, and then click right. Okay, for the last type of chamfer, which is phase. Okay, for this type you must select 2 phase to create a chamfer. Okay, for the example, okay, I will adjust or set the distance of the chamfer. Okay, you can see this. Okay, I will select the second phase on this phase. Okay, you can see this. Okay, and then click right. Okay, this is a 5 type how to apply a chamfer. Okay, that's all for the video about how to apply a chamfer.